Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the type of video upload on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the app settings section and then click on the fifth option, text and media. Scroll down to the video uploads section, and as you can see here you have three options you can choose from. Best quality, that uses the most data, then the standard, which is the recommended one, and the data saver, which will upload faster and use less cellular data. So click on the option that you would like to set, and a check mark icon will appear on the right side next to the selected one. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.